Defense stocks saw a sharp rebound in trade today as investors eyed an FDI policy boost in the defense sector. The industry in India is at the cusp of a massive expansion, Defense Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh said at a recent event. As a result, shares of Mazagon Dock surged 11%, while HAL, Cochin Shipyard and Bharat Dynamics gained as well. Real Vikas Nigam shares experienced a significant surge, rising nearly 11% in trade today and snapping a 3-day losing streak. This jump followed the company's announcement of securing a 554 crore rupees joint venture project for the development of a rail project in Bangalore. Aluminium stocks Hindalco and Nalco jumped up to 4% in trade today as EU envoys agreed on the 16th package of sanctions against Russia. The sanctions include a Russian primary aluminium import ban and the listing of 73 new shadow fleet vessels. The sanctions come days ahead of the anniversary of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Food delivery major Swiggy shares surged up to 7% in trade after international brokerage CLSA said that the food delivery player, along with its competitor Zomato, were among its top ideas for the long term amid incremental growth in quick commerce and food delivery. The broader market staged a reversal on the bourses today after settling in the red for the past 8 of the 9 sessions. The Nifty Smallcap index surged over 2% intraday, and the gains were largely seen in railway, defense, and public sector stocks. TVS Motor Company shares continued their downward trajectory, slipping over 1% in trade today, marking the 6th consecutive session of declines for the stock, which highlights a sustained period of negative investor sentiment. The decline occurred despite an outperformed rating and a target price of Rs 2,904 issued by international brokerage Macquarie, which suggested a potential upside of about 24%. Pharma stocks stumbled, with some plunging as much as 10% after US President Donald Trump signaled potential tariffs of about 25% on pharma imports. It'll be 25% and higher, and it'll go up very substantially over a year, he warned, raising concerns about the import on Indian drug exports to US, which is the world's largest pharma market. 12 out of the 20 stocks on the Nifty Pharma Index traded lower. Export-focused IT companies, including LTIMindtree, TCS and Infosys, were among the top losers on the Nifty IT Index amid threats of reciprocal tariffs, which are likely to start from early April. This move is expected to make investors move away from these export-oriented stocks, which in general include IT and pharma, that earn a significant portion of their revenue from the United States of America. Shares of Aurobindo Pharma tumbled up to 10% after the US FDA completed a pre-approval inspection of its subsidiary. The inspection took place from February 10th to February 18th, wherein the US regulator concluded with 5 procedural observations, which the company plans to address within the prescribed timeline. Adani Group stocks jittered in trade after a news report stated that the US SEC has sought assistance from Indian authorities in its ongoing investigation into alleged security fraud and bribery involving Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani.